Welcome to this technical guide on the ASUS K3400P. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue we're facing today is that the ASUS K3400P won't turn on. This can be quite frustrating for users, often caused by a faulty power supply, a dead battery, or even internal motherboard issues. If left unchecked, it could lead to more extensive damage and data loss, so it's important to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement battery or power supply, depending on your diagnosis. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat surface. Using your plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover of the ASUS K3400P. Be careful to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. If it's the battery that's faulty, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard by carefully lifting the connector. If the power supply is the issue, trace the power lines from the power port to the motherboard to find the connection point. At this stage, if at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Replace the faulty component with a new one, whether it's the battery or the power supply. Ensure that you are using the correct screws. Typically, these are small Phillips screws that you'll need to remove carefully. Apply gentle pressure when reconnecting any cables to avoid damaging the connectors. Once the new component is in place, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until you hear the clip snap into place. To verify that everything works, plug in the device and attempt to power it on. If it powers up, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your ASUS K3400P. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly check your power supply and battery health, and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures or moisture. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.